Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start now by identifying your remote model and confirming power sources, because the fix depends on it. Remove any case and test a fresh battery. Battery issues are the fastest wins. Once done, visually inspect the lightning port, buttons, and magnet area for lint or corrosion, making sure to use a soft brush and isopropyl 70% or less. This prevents damage. If the battery is non-removable, prepare a small precision screwdriver set and a plastic pry tool to open safely. Once you open the remote, work methodically. Lift the back gently with a plastic pry tool and keep screws in order, because reassembly depends on it. Carefully detach the ribbon cable and disconnect the battery connector, then clean button contacts and PCB traces with a cotton swab and isopropyl. Let components air dry fully to avoid shorts. Inspect the ribbon cable for kinks and the battery connector for bent pins. Replace tiny connectors if corroded. Reseat all flex cables firmly before closing. You finish by reassembling in reverse order, making sure ribbon cables and the battery connector click into place. This ensures reliable contact. Power on the Apple TV and pair the remote in settings. Test navigation, playback, and Siri to confirm functionality. If issues remain, try resetting the remote, replace the battery with a known good cell, and retry. If problems persist, the board or joystick may be damaged. Order a replacement board or remote. One tip: if pairing fails, reboot the Apple TV.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.